Remember, safety glass first. So we cut it from different locations and I'm trying to fit this PVC pipe. Cutting PVC cut with the same saw. I had a mask.
It's on your face.
So I cleaned this. The only thing is that these spots are too old, they don't go away. So I got this product from one of my friends. I will put the link in the description. Let's see if it works. Oh, I should shave it well. Leveling the concrete has always been a problem, a challenge for me. So I came up with this product. I designed it and I ordered it online for 3D printing. So what it does is it's designed specifically for these drains, for shower drains. As you can see, and you can put the bolts in it, and then once you put all 4 bolts in it, the other 2 can go easily. Then I connected. I bought this product from Walmart and I used super glue, or you can use gorilla glue, to glue like 7 of them. Put a little bit glue, push it, that's it. Usually super glue will work in 30 seconds, so it's not a real bad thing. And then this is a knot. You will screw it on top of this. I will show you in a second. This, I don't know if this, I just did the gluing. So you put it on top and you just screw it, and then after that each one of these 7 go to one side of the shower, and then once you screw it all the way down, it's designed in order to be 1/4 inch from the floor, and then just go all the way from 1 inch from the floor. Use a stapler and then attach these strings, and then it will be automatically leveled, and use these as a guide to level the mud or whatever you use. Thanks. As you can see, I put it in, I tightened it, and is the finished product. So once you just put the first one in here, I use this stapler, and then I'll be back. So let's see. can see it's
خب این سرویسونه اضافه رو باید کوتاه کنیم ماجی.
حالا اونم کوتاه. خیلی خوب دمت گرم.
سرویسونه اضافه